o'clock. You're gonna leave me. I can see the fall. Anyway, guys, what do you think about the
Time escape while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
good morning? Time check, it is 5:08 in the morning. Snow is coming. Today, guys, it is Tuesday. Good morning, guys. It is 9:05. I was awake, you know, and then I can't go back to sleep. So I decided to just like do something on my computer, do some work and work. And I haven't had breakfast yet. I don't want to have anything like, you know, like I want to have something but rice. Filipino breakfast again, guys. Fish again. I'm just gonna keep eating fish until Sammy pick me up here. I won't get tired of fish. Well, there's no vegetables. I will get tired of it. I will probably have ice cream. I'm having coffee. I probably have ice cream later on anyway. So here's the bangos. I'm gonna cut half only for this morning because it's big. Last night I ate one. Hi guys, I am done filming with my makeup look. Oh, Tommy is coming to my sister-in-law's house. He's bringing his mother with him to get out to the house. But anyway, he says that he probably come here and bring me something. I said, no, you don't worry. If you are so tired and don't feel like coming up in this house, don't worry. You go back to the house because he's so tired. And what time it is? It's 11. So that means he get home very late and he's working tomorrow early. And I told him, you don't have to worry. You don't have to stop by here. I have a lot of food. Don't worry about it. If you, after feeding the cats, if you feel like going to, you know, going home, don't worry. I'm fine here. Because the dining room is a mess. The same thing what happened yesterday. It's still the same. This is where I clean up the brushes. Because I like to repeat the brushes. And yeah, so that's what it is. Brushes need to be cleaned up. This is all my makeup, guys. I don't have a ton of makeup, but anyway, guys, this is the lotion powder from, I forgot where did I get this. CoverGirl. This is from CoverGirl translucent powder. I never tried this yet because, you know, I will try to use that next time when I apply if I apply concealer. I'm watching this show. It's a weird show. Anyway, I'm going to film another video right here. I have video uploaded already, guys, on my channel. And I'm going to do the early bird. Somebody or early bird. Hi, Jovil. Ha. Jamnagi. I don't know if I say it right correctly, guys. Jovil. Not Jovil. Jubil. Jamnagi. Sis, let me know if I pronounce it correctly. And also to Alda Buizon Mizu. Hi guys. And also there is another shout out, guys. Okay, somebody asked me, I know how many times people ask me this, and then I always answer, I always comment on the video, guys. I always reply the people who commented the video and always say, there is some question here. It says how old I am. Guys, I am 32 and then running 33 this coming April. And Tommy is 56. Yes, that's how old we are. Oh, this is gonna be a belated birthday. Happy birthday to Janisa Juntahan. Happy belated birthday, sis. I'm sorry, this is a late birthday greetings. Vanessa Juntahan. Hi, happy birthday. And also shout out to Black Flag 420. And his name is Rodney. Hi, Rodney. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Lois, I think how you pronounce it? Lois Lauren. Hi sis Lois Lauren. Hi sis, thank you so much for watching. And yes, this is a late shout out, but hi guys. And also shout out to her YouTube name is RTZI Gail. I think Gail, GHALE. Gail, hi Gail, thank you for watching, sis. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for Tommy to call me. I am filming me, MaryAnn, and my sister is coming to Amelia Bukani, and to shout out to Conquel Anzu Hirminigildo. I don't know. I hope I said correctly. Milani Simera. Hi guys. Lisa Cisaldo. Lisa Cisaldo. It's not Beanie. It's not Beanie. It's not Beanie. Beanie Beanie. It's not Beanie. It's not being charged. Beanie Beanie Beanie. Beanie Beanie Beanie. Do you like my outfit? Do you like this shirt, guys? Look, I like this shirt, guys. Look. Look, look, look. Look, 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 look. Look, look, look. Chung. Turung, turung, turung. Hi guys, I get rid of my makeup. I'm carrying the iPad tripod. I'm just curious. Tommy says that he's coming here and he's not here yet. I don't know what's going on with him. I don't know if I'm going to call him. He probably just go back home to the other house because my mother-in-law is with him and she feels sick in the car. I don't think so. They're coming here. And I hope I know that I can keep going filming because I haven't filmed the other part of my twin. And I don't even eat lunch because he said he's going here. What the heck? I'm going to call him. Hold on, guys. Okay. I can't find the telephone. Where's the telephone? I can't find that in here if you know. Right here. Click here. Let me call him. Oh, he's busy. Tommy called me because I tried to call him. He want to come over here. Remember I told you that he want to come here, and he want to come here, and then I told him not to. So I told him no, you have to just go home and drive home because he's working tomorrow early. So that's what happened. So I'm gonna get rid of you over in the tripod because the lubat. My hand smells blood. I wash it really good, but I wear different jacket now again, guys, because I was filming and I'm editing the video. That's why you see me wearing this glass. And I also reply some comments right here. And somebody comment the video. Hold on. Hi MaryAnn, 2015 watch ko na video mo but this year lang ako subscribe kasi sobra enjoy ako sa video. Sobrang natural mo kasi. Pa-shout out ako please. Si Andrea Cruz. My daughter's name, Salamat from Pampanga. Thank you. Shout out. To Rusking also shout out. Hi guys. It's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's break time. I'll just say that absence make the heart grow fonder, and the tears are only rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no stronger if I live to be 100 years old. Now they say that years are something you'll love better. That's the way it happened every time before. And the stars and sunshine out tomorrow. Crying time will start when you walk out the door. Nobody paid much attention Hi guys, nagkakira-karaoke lang ako guys. Tapos na. Yung una, tumawag, nag-live pa ako. I was live on my Facebook and then suddenly, my tamimi tumawag. He called and then I cut the live. And then I live again and I decided to stop because I wanna stop karaoke na. Masakit yung lalamunan ko. It's really hurt, and then so even though it hurts, I want to just sing. Seems like singing for me, even though, you know, you guys say that I have a good voice. No, it's not really. It's just a voice of yabag-yabag gamay. Nag-charge ako ng battery palagi, guys. I always charge my battery because it's always low, but you know, I'm always filming, vlogging, and stuff like that. So I'm so happy that I got the extra battery for my camera because if walang battery, palagi tayong late sa mga nangyayari sa buhay na wala naman mga kauihan lang naman. My candle, guys. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Po, po, po. Ooh, it smells so good. Yun lang, guys. Walang masyadong magawa sa buhay. Kumakain na ako. Mag-iinom lang ako ng tubig. I just have to drink water. Sana andito kayo lahat, guys. All of you who watches me all the time. I wish you were here. That we can do karaoke. Drinking. Oh my god, guys. If you were here, we're just gonna finish this one night. This one. What's in here? We're just gonna finish this overnight. And this one right here too. Plus, meron pa dun sa office ng asawa ko. Look, beer. Beer pa, more beer. Yeah, so if you were here, probably gonna have fun, and then we just gonna make like a pulutan, guys, yung mga pork belly, may matataba na isusugba natin, i-barbecue, at saka may pulutan yun, maraming onion, sarap yun. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep editing, guys, and I will see you later. Oh my god, it's freezing out here. I'm just editing the video here. I'm just watching news. I'm so devastating of the news right now. In New Orleans, Louisiana, have the tornado. It's really sad. Oh my lord. Anyway, guys, what do you think about the policy that our president Trump trying to compliment the people that, you know, he's trying to protect the American people, that he doesn't want anybody to come in the US from certain countries. And what do you think about that? I have two different kind of opinion about it. Different, it's just like hati yung ko, guys. It is split. It is 7:09 already. I love Michael Bolton. Who doesn't love Michael Bolton? You guys love Michael Bolton? Oh, I have to go upstairs. What happened to my laptop? Seriously. I can't find my mouse. There's something wrong. Now I have to look for my chopstick. Chopstick, where are you? Where are you? It's right here. Maghuhubad na naman ako, guys. I'm going to take my sweater para naman hindi ako igangin ito. Oh, get hot later on. Ilagay lang ko kayo dyan, okay? Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. Always supporting me, and always in the comment down below, and always liking my video. Good night. Tabon-tabon lang tayo ng paa, guys, para hindi maginawan, magabunan. Magabunan. Anyway, guys, good night. Love touch right here. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you all guys so much for watching. Bye. It's already, yeah. Oh, my eyes. It's 7:16 in the evening. Bye, guys. Night.